In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CodeBlocks, which is a free and easy IDE for writing C++ and C code. And then we will run our first C++ program together. So the first thing that I'm going to do is type in CodeBlocks in Google. And I'm going to click on the first link that comes up because that's going to take me to the official webpage, which is codeblocks.org. And from here, I'm going to click on downloads. Just exit any ads you get. Click on download. And then from here, click on download the binary release. Now, because I'm on a Windows machine, I'll be going to the Windows section. Make sure you get the MinGW because that's the one that's got the IDE with the compiler. This is the one that we want. So clicking on the link next to it, this will take us to SourceForge.net. And you want to wait a few seconds. That's when the download will start automatically. So now we can see that it's been downloaded. So I'll come back once this is finished. Now that the download is completed, we can open the downloads folder, which will show us the downloaded exe file. So double click on CodeBlocks, basically the executable file. We might get Windows to ask us for permission, so we want to make sure to give it permission. So here, I'll click on more info and then I'll say run anyway. I think now Windows will ask for permission. So click yes to give Windows permission to install CodeBlocks. And for the wizard, clicking next. License agreement, I agree. I'm going to keep the defaults and I'll just click next. And for the location, install, and let's wait for the installation to complete. Now that the installation is complete, I'm getting a message. Do you want to run CodeBlocks now? I'm going to click on yes. And for this wizard, I'm just going to click next and finish. Now that CodeBlocks has launched, let's create a new project. Go into File, New, Project. Choose Console Application, click Go. Then choose C++ because that's the language we are going to work with today. And then next. Now for project title, I'll give this Hello World. And for the location, I might want to put this in Documents here. I'm going to create a folder called C++ and select that folder. And so everything is going well. Clicking next and finish. Now on the left, open sources, and then double click on main.cpp. So that's this program is there by default. Let's have a look at what it is. Now this line basically lets the program use the screen for printing. Using namespace makes it shorter, so it lets us use cout directly without having to use std like this. Okay, and return main basically is where the program starts. Now this line here shows the words hello world on screen, and return 0 means end of the program, meaning everything went okay. Now to build a program, you want to click on this gear icon. When you put the mouse over it, it says build. So we just want to make sure we've got no errors. I mean, the program was there I would doubt that it has any errors. And then you want to run it, clicking on this green rectangle. Sorry, triangle, which if you hover the mouse over, it says run. Now we get the words hello world. So this is the installation of CodeBlocks looking good. Let's keep going with further programs in CodeBlocks in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.